President Buhari is back. Yes, so real life and direct. For now, we don't know he been travel before. They send a medical checkup, although they change up some people come to tell us say no, so no be medical checkup, say na rest. He go rest. I never hear that before. My people, as I they talk to na. Our boo boo is back in this country as we dey talk. I will put the new pictures. Una no go believe, no, una no know why they talk say new pictures. You understand? And they call her new pictures because now this is a fresh one. This is a changed person. This one not be the same person wey leave. He don't come back home. You understand? Many things don't change because now, in fact, you don't do the facial mask well. You not see, see. Our new Nigeria president don't come back. See as he look fresh, strong, cute. In fact, everything don't change about him. They even put biro for your pocket. Let's say it's a be right. I mean, why did this man come back? Because why did he come back? I need to know because I know they see any reason. Wetin be the reason now? Wetin bring this man come back? If for remain for that side, because no be say they can't change one thing. No be say as it come now, solution go start to flow like water. No be nothing. The only president where I know for this world, where they go and live, like say they work for one organization. You are working for a nation, bro. I better bring her outside, self. Chineke. Boo boo. See as you don't, your blood self don't change. Wait to maybe now me know they even they see where you don't even get chest. Wait to you they go gym for that side. I be you should say na medical checkup because as I they see you. Hey, Chineke. This night, oh, not today. First lady go hear am. Because the things will go happen to make I no use my mouth talk all that one I beg before I go to. I no fit to say welcome. I beg if you get welcome for her, give her your welcome. Me, I no get. My welcome is for people that give us positive results, people that give us rest, not people that give us stress. So if you get welcome for this man, I beg start a drop for that side. But I should say, as soon as be my people, when I always dey by my side. You understand? No welcome for this man because I know they see. No, wait till we dey welcome her from. Say they come give us money. Abi they come bring security. Abi go stop Boko Haram now from killing people. Abi those 12 soldiers wey die, they go come back alive. Which of the welcome will they welcome? Because if you ask me, this man presence always they bring problem. In fact, now said they go even increase. So I know the anyhow, may no be saying me stopping her from welcoming una president. So I bet they made the welcome they drop for that comment section, and as usual, I won't see her. This one I no go reply now. Na joke and a joke, I go try, you understand? Yes, my people, our president is back, and this time around now, I don't know, but I go keep una posted if anything come up, because as usual, we no say nothing will change, but in case it change, now for here, una go still here. So I beg, help me share this video so that everybody go know say our boo boo don't come back, and subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. Nigeria government don't bring us another matter, and this one get to do with foreigners. So I no go believe this one. No, they say they worried because foreigners don't come from outside, can't snatch the jobs when Nigerians supposed they do. And according to Nigerian Minister of the Interior, Mr. Sola, in commercial can't tell us now say activities where foreigners come inside the country can't they do. Say they starve Nigerians from their own employment opportunities. Now I say I go bring and come outside because you know they talk plenty. He say many foreigners they enter Nigeria with fake. You know, say if you want get citizenship, sometimes either you I know today used to that one, but because I know few of them, they say some of them you go marry person. That way you feel get citizenship. Some people you now the number of years where you don't stay for the particular country, you feel get citizenship. Many ways. And the man I don't come outside can't say all the many foreigners who come inside Nigeria can't do marriage scam. They say no be in love. They no love you, they no want marry you now just to get that citizenship. So he said they must detect all these people where they do all those kinds of things because they steal our jobs. I mean, I know you laugh. Sorry, I don't laugh. Wait. No, because I know fit just the way I don't laugh this man. Now foreigners have come inside our country and now they are taking our jobs and they are leaving our youth jobless. They don't have una get job. Nigeria, una no make me dey and see I like the truth. Una get jobs. Like if we dey call countries now, countries where they give their people jobs, Nigeria will come outside. Ah, Nigeria wey no get job normally, like on a normal level, Nigeria no get job. No, check am. Even dey wetin dey call that, even dey Wikipedia, be all those sites where you dey get information from, e dey there. They say Nigeria na one of the highest unemployed country. Ha! Abeg, if I dey remember that thing, even dey give me heart attack. Insecurity, Nigeria is the highest. Unemployment, Nigeria is the highest. Wetin again? No, make we start the call am. This one dey come outside. He saw this one. Abeg, bring this one outside sef before I vex. Hi, Chineke. You think say na only you get something to worry about? You are worried that foreigners are coming inside the country and they are taking. I greet you. Abeg, me sef I get worry. Where they worry you? I am very worried right now that your cabinet, your whole cabinet, you have been and you are still taking over our money in this country. How far? Me too, I get worried. So everybody, if all of us start they bring our worry, you go become worry party. So everybody go they bring their own. I bet stick to your holiday matter. When they come outside first, I be they think say this one they come announce one holiday like that. You know, say now in the president for holiday. Federal government has declared today holiday of this. As I see, I think say don't come declare another holiday. No, say they can't spit another nonsense. What about Nigerians where they abroad? Una dey worry say foreigners they come inside Nigeria steal una jobs. Nigerians where they other people country where they work legal work. What happened to them? How come those countries never say, you people, you are foreigners, you are taking our jobs? Poverty. That is the voice of poverty and stupidity. Yes. Your people are in other people's country. They are working comfortably. Some of them say they go give them car for the office where they work. Car, house. They go even give them driver where go they drive them. But people no fear enter your country can't work. They've become thieves. For real, your head is in fact you are suffering. All of you now they suffer from typhoid and malaria. Una like they enjoy people own, but make people can enjoy on our own now. It don't become problem. May nobody make me vex. No, are they serious? May nobody just make me vex because when these people they get their meetings and they told this every time, I don't know which spirit they sit down between them. They forget what they supposed to talk about. They forget what they supposed plan. Person hear you now as you they talk say they have come to steal our job. This one. Person hear you now. They go think say jobs plenty for Nigeria, executive jobs. This one. The last time which job you get for youths? Una get for youths? No be agriculture. No, which job you not get for you? Okay, the recent one. Make 50 million youth join army. Person go school for business administration, you dey send and go army. Many graduates where we get, where they and you dey talk say jobs, they still the. Many of the people where they lead us for this country, my people, they know they feel well. No, they have, I don't know, maybe na fever. I still they find the name of the sickness, but they are not feeling well. No, I check am. If anything we are talking now, you don't agree with them, tell me, because me, I don't now like this, I say I'm like this, I go drop am. So I beg anything where you guys talk concerning this job, no job, foreigners job matter, drop am for that comment section. I will reply on one by one, make the battle begin. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say they want to chase our foreigners. Meanwhile, our people too, they for the foreigners country, very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you're gonna miss interesting kasala like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.